An airlock in your diesel generator's fuel system can stop you dead. Here's how to bleed the air from the filter housing and get back up and running.
If your diesel generator fails to start and you suspect an airlock in the fuel system, don't panic. Today, I'll show you the exact steps. In this video, we're working on the Cummins diesel generator to clear a complete airlock from the fuel system.
An airlock happens when air enters the fuel line and blocks diesel from reaching the injectors, causing hard starting or no start.
Common symptoms include long cranking, engine not starting, unstable fuel pressure, and rough idle after starting. First, check if the fuel filters are properly filled with diesel. Any empty filter means air has entered the system.
Use the manual priming pump and push diesel through the lines until you feel the pump become firm. Open the bleeder screws one by one. Allow air to escape until a clean, bubble-free diesel stream appears.
If the generator still doesn't start, loosen the injector fuel line slightly and crank the engine to release trapped air.
Once the air is removed, start the generator. It should fire up smoothly and fuel pressure should stabilize.
Lastly, check for fuel leaks and tighten all fittings. Your airlock is now fully cleared.
This is how you clear airlock of diesel generator. Like and subscribe for more technical guides.